beast mode. Go beast mode. I don't wanna lose, I don't wanna fall. Nah, I've been paying dues, now it's time to ball. Yeah, Ben had this mentality, I ain't just evolved. Nah, all I did was play them, I ain't picked the cards I was dealt with. Some people are selfish, me I'm on the grind all the time, I can't help it. Focus in my mind till I'm young, rich and healthy. Until then, I'll be working on myself, B. Yeah, making money, making moves, breaking records, breaking rules, staying far from the fools. All we really wanna do is lay low and improve. Stay broke, never do. Hell, the riches coming through, and the women coming too. I can't even trust a few, cause they'll do anything for a crib with a view. And they sleeping on me then, so I put them on the snooze and focus on the grind, only way to never lose.
Okay, time to do a couple of cranks for priming, new turbos, get oil going. Alright, first startup ever on this engine with Victor's 94 VR-4. New setup, fresh cow. Let's see if it turns over. Oil pressure seems good so far. Gonna go check for leaks. Pressure's out. Looking cammed idle though. Woo! Okay, another cold start, 72 degrees Fahrenheit ambient temp, and another quart of oil for a total of 6. Let's see if it tastes better or differently. Also opened up the BIS about a half turn, so now we're at 1,000 RPM. FIAV is blocked off, and no dash pod. So it's pretty good cold start. About 20-25 miles on this build, so proceed with the break-in, or at least resume it. Tuning some tip-in.
Hey, careful. Vente para acá.
Papa, Papa,
Okay,
I
stay
love
right. I
Yoshi.
know. I love Yoshi too. Stay right there.
He loves me. Yoshi loves me.
That's awesome.
Hi, hello. Look at.
Say hi, Yoshi.
Hi, Yoshi. Hi, Yoshi.
Well, the master himself expects it. That's crazy.
It's on you. Go beast mode.
Un poco.